Everybody, it's me again, Crazy Bag Lady. I hope you're well. So it's a weekend, woohoo! So it's Saturday morning, blue sky again. We've had so much nice weather. We've been so lucky. We've had the odd gloomy day, but not many. It's lovely. So just done all my makeup, got my favourites on. Absolutely love this skincare. It is absolutely amazing. My 3 favourites, love them so much. And my favourite glowy foundation, just makes you glow. It's so lovely. So if you've not looked at Avon for a long time, my little Avon shop is down below. If you spend £23 you get free UK delivery straight to your door. So calendar of the day, let's have a look. Here's little Peggy. Hello everyone, hope you're going to have a wonderful weekend. Right Peggy, let's have a look at calendar of the day. So that was yesterday. Are we ready? I can't, hang on. Dun, 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 dun. Saturday, people will stare, make it worth their while. I love that so much. That's so good. People will stare, make it worth their while. So, always be fabulous. So, let's hope we have a bloody fabulous weekend. I'm sick of having bad luck and horrible things. So, come on, we all need some good luck this weekend. So, this morning's entertainment. Dun, dun, dun. We've got 3 men here, I think, cutting my little silver birch tree. So I want to keep the tree, but it has got rather big. So these men have done my mum's tree before, because my husband wanted to do it himself, and I was like, no, you're not going up there on a blooming ladder. The luck we've had this year, you'll probably fall off. So I've got 3 men here cutting my lovely tree. Oh, are you watching the workmen? You are a good guard dog. Are you watching the workman? Oh gosh. Are you watching the workman? Oh, look at you waggling your little tail. Hey, it's Ruby. You can't really see it because my window's all steamed up, but there is a man in the tree. Ta-da! Can you see that? So obviously you can see how big the tree's got. It needs to be a lot smaller really. Right, breakfast this morning. Donut! No, I'm just kidding. So, breakfast this morning, bran plates, chopped banana. They've nearly done. They're just picking all the leaves up. So, he said, who trimmed it last time? I said, my husband. He went, yeah, he nearly killed it. So, he's just given it a lovely little haircut. Right, while we're waiting, boring jobs. So, I've got to get the washing. I can't speak this morning. Right, so we've got to fill up the washing up bowl, empty the dishwasher, and then when they've gone, we'll go look at the tree. Right, so my ever filling up wash basket is full again. That makes me so cross. It's never ending. I know a lot of you have said the same. It's just a nightmare. But anyway, let's get the washing machine on. Right, let's go and look at the tree now everybody's gone. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. It's still quite big, but he said that if you cut much more off it you'll kill it, because it's starting to lean. So he's done what he thought was best. Maybe we could have done a little bit more off it, but never mind. And he said my garden was very nice, which was very kind. I love the fact that Dolly's managed to find a little stick. I love this song, it's so good. Queen of Disaster by Sir Lofi. I've never really heard it before and it's so good. I don't know if it's new or old, but it's amazing. My shelves are up and painted and done. Yay! So now for the fun bit, we need to put something on it to make it look pretty. Ah, little Schubert, welcome to your new home. I hope you like it up there, looking posh and proud. Oh, when playing gets just too much. Oh, bless her, she's fast asleep. Right, Right, next job, try and hang some washing out. I don't think it's going to rain, so fingers crossed we'll get it dry. Still adding bits to my shelf. Look at the lovely picture of Lily. Oh, the lovely Tracy painted for me. It's so sweet. And now she's up there, I feel I can see her even more. Well, the washing's on the washing line. Sky very, very blue. Let's hope it dries the washing. Ooh, I meant to show you this yesterday and I forgot. So this is the Avon sale brochure that came with my Avon order the other day. Look at all this Lisa Armstrong. It's down to £3. So there's a favourite Clary that we all used to wear all the time. And I think the Gemstar one's nice as well. Highlighter £3.50, fixing powder, lip liners, eyebrow pencil £2.50. They were £10. You cannot believe it. So anyway, I've ordered myself. I've ordered loads of the Clary. I've ordered a couple of Gemstar. I've ordered a highlighter. I've ordered a lip liner, and I've ordered loads of the eyebrow pencils as well because they're really, really good. Bargain. Have we got to dinner time? Yeah, is that your dinner? Or you can spin round. Somebody else spin round when it's their dinner time. Maybe that's where we're going wrong in life. Maybe we need to spin. You are funny. Well, you'll have to come round here, the wrong side of your little pen. Well, there's your little lunch. You shouldn't really have lunches anymore. Go on. Go on, get it. Enjoy. So obviously when the puppies, they have like 3 meals a day, and as they get older they're supposed to have 2. But every dinner time she comes like begging me, so I just give her a little bit. And then I have to give my little friends a little treat each as well, don't we? You get a little treat too, don't you? Right, so dinner today. We're supposed to be on healthy eating and it's all gone out the window. Another weekend of doing what we like. So for dinner today we've got, my husband's got corned beef sandwiches and I've got corned beef cob. I love corned beef, it's so nice and these cobs are really squidgy. I love soft cobs. So I'm drying my umbrella. As you can see, my friend's not very impressed by my umbrella. Don't you like my umbrella? It's lovely. It's got a little swan on it, look. It's very cute. And Winnie's just like, really? What are you barking at this time? What are you doing? Don't be pulling things from out of there. Look at Winnie's face. She's like, really? Just be quiet. She's silly, isn't she, Winnie? She's silly Billy. Right, next load of washing done. It's a nightmare trying to wash woolies, so I'm trying to lay it flat. I'm hoping it'll keep its shape and dry a bit in the sunshine. I've got a very wet soggy plaster on my thumb. I need to redo it. It's loads better than it was, thank goodness. Lipstick of the day. So I've used my Avon Clary. So look, can you remember the magnetic lids? Can't believe you can still get them half price. Love them so much. Perfect nude lipstick. Love it so much. Right, we're going out. So out for the day, I've got on my little joggers I got the other day, my little chunky boots, my blazer, my little pair of neck, my bum bag, my daughter. Right, are you ready? Mm-hmm. We're going to fetch an ornament that I've seen. I've reserved it at this little shop. I might paint it or something, I don't know, but I just like the shape of it. So let's go. Off we go. There's so many little piggies. I love little pigs, they're so cute. There's Robin Hood. Look, Ruby. Is that your sign, Ruby? The road to my heart is paved with paw prints. Yeah. Oh, look at the miniature mirror. That's cute.
Because what I was going to send in because I've got beer on tap. I might just leave it and just come back with you Thursday.
Sparkly. Sparkly elephant.
I don't think so. I don't want...
Right, next shop. Neighbours paper. I love her, she's so cool.
It's Vogue.
Yeah, I love the Vogue thing. And I also love the little dog. He's so cute.
Yeah.
No, we're not getting chips. Right, we need to go back and find my husband. He's dropped us off, now we need to go and find him. Yeah, that's nice. I wish he was picking me up in that. That's lovely. Oh, let's have another look at Robin. Robin Hood. And his maid Marion.
There's an acorn on it.
Yeah, there is. I love little acorn cups. It's so cute. Oh, Robin Hood. It's cute, isn't it, Ruby?
Yeah.
Back in the car. So I found my husband, got me a little ornament, got myself a drink. Off we go home. I can show you my ornament. The lady in the shop, in the other shop where we got the drinks from, she thought I'd got a baby in my arms because it's in like a white carry bag. Right, off we go. So we've made it home and I'm going to deliver the paper. Right, made it back. Are you ready for a statue? Ta-da! I love her. I've no idea where I'm going to put her. I just really like her. She's very sort of French chic. I seem to have a bit of a thing for like heads and faces and stuff, don't you, and bodies? Because obviously I bought my little man yesterday and now I've bought a lady. Oh, she's not staying there, but I really like her. She's like pearlescent. She almost seems to change colour. I thought she was silver, but then the more I look at her, she's got a bit of a pinky silvery tone to her. Isn't she cute? I need to give her a name. Next job, a nice cup of coffee. And then we're moving my little egg chairs. We're taking them to my little husband's little farm thing to keep them out of the way for winter so that they don't get like rotten over the winter. How sad. I wish it was still summer. It's constantly a thing of Winnie watching Dolly being an absolute Wally. Should we change the name to Wally instead of Dolly? You'll give yourself a headache, my darling. You give yourself a headache. Look, your mother's watching you. I love how Winifred is now sat under an umbrella. And here's Miss Florence. So I've brought my washing in as well. Put it on my little clothes area in the hope that the sunshine will dry it or dry it a bit. Ooh, got to have a treat with your coffee. Mr. Kipling, exceeding good cakes. Ruby's favourite. I just like the colour, it matches my fridge, look. It's so pretty. My favourite shade of pink. Ooh, tea tonight. So this is a little pasta thing that I made the other day. We should have had it the other day and then we didn't, so we're having it tonight. So it's going to take about 40 minutes to warm up, I think. So let's get it in the oven. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my tea. Woohoo! So I've put a bit of cheese on it as well, which I thought would make it taste extra nice. So it's like mince, peppers, carrots. It's what I made the other day. Oh, lovely. I have to enjoy it. And obviously we've got no heating on, so I've left the oven door open a bit to let some heat into the kitchen. So obviously my puppy's out of the way, and my other dogs all go in the other room, so it'll be fine. So let some free heat in. My tea was delicious. So there's my little shelf. Ta-da! I've managed to fill it up. Obviously the kitchen roll, but that's not quite staying there. But the rest of it's lovely. So here's some of my books. So if you take the cover off while Mummy drinks, they have this lovely white book underneath. It's really cool. And you can't believe it's 7:15. It doesn't look that dark, but it is nearly dark. Winter is here, I think, isn't it? All these dark nights. Oh dear. Ooh. It's time for Strictly, ladies and gentlemen. And time for your friends to pinch your donut. Right, it is. I'm going to love you and leave you. And yes, I have still got my jacket on because it's a bit nippy. So if you do enjoy just a little bit of real life, then please subscribe to my channel. Come and find me on Instagram as mrscrazybaglady. My dogs have got their own Instagram, which is 3 Fluffles. My website is down below. My little AVON shop is also down below, where you can get the Lisa Armstrong makeup dead cheap at the minute. So I love you and leave you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.